The South Korean entertainment company HYBE, which manages global K-pop sensation BTS, recently found itself at the center of a controversy involving insider trading related to the group's 2022 hiatus announcement. 3 individuals, all former HYBE employees, were convicted of insider trading after profiting from privileged knowledge about BTS's temporary break due to mandatory military enlistment. The case has drawn significant attention from investors and analysts, raising questions about transparency and accountability within the company. The situation was further complicated by conflicting statements from HYBE and its subsidiaries, which prompted a public clarification to shareholders and stakeholders. The insider trading case revolves around BTS's announcement in June 2022 that the group would be taking a hiatus to fulfill South Korea's mandatory military service requirements. This news, which sent shockwaves through the global music industry, had a significant impact on HYBE's stock price, as BTS is the company's flagship act and a major driver of its revenue. The 3 convicted individuals who were employed by HYBE at the time of the announcement were found to have used their insider knowledge to make financial gains, likely by trading stocks before the public disclosure. The case highlights the challenges of managing sensitive information in a high-profile company with a global fanbase and significant market influence. The controversy took an unexpected turn when Music Business Worldwide, a respected industry publication, reported on the convictions, citing a story from a South Korean newspaper. The original report stated that the 3 individuals included 2 former HYBE employees and 1 employee of a HYBE subsidiary. However, shortly after the story was published, a Los Angeles-based PR firm, majority-owned by HYBE, contacted Music Business Worldwide with a correction, claiming that none of the individuals were former HYBE employees and that only one was an acquaintance of HYBE's founder and chairman, Si-Hyuk. The PR firm emphasized this point, suggesting that the publication's reporting was inaccurate. The situation became even more convoluted the following day when HYBE's Seoul-based global head of communications issued a second correction, contradicting the PR firm's statement. The new statement confirmed that all 3 individuals were, in fact, former HYBE employees, as originally reported, and clarified that none of them had personal connections to Chairman Bang. HYBE attributed the PR firm's erroneous correction to human error, but the back-and-forth raised eyebrows among investors and analysts who rely on accurate information to assess the company's governance and credibility. The incident underscored the importance of clear and consistent communication, especially in matters that could affect HYBE's reputation and stock performance. For HYBE shareholders, the insider trading case and the subsequent communication missteps are significant. The company's handling of the situation has drawn scrutiny, particularly in light of a separate investigation involving Chairman Bang and 3 other HYBE employees related to alleged unfair trading during the company's 2020 initial public offering (IPO). While this investigation is unrelated to the BTS hiatus case, it adds to the perception of governance challenges within HYBE. The company has stated that it is fully cooperating with local authorities, including financial regulators and law enforcement, in the IPO investigation, but the overlap of these issues has heightened investor concerns. The insider trading convictions themselves are a reminder of the high stakes involved in managing a company like HYBE, which operates at the intersection of entertainment and finance. BTS's global success has made HYBE a powerhouse in the music industry, but it has also placed the company under intense scrutiny. The group's hiatus announcement was a pivotal moment, not only for fans but also for investors who saw the potential impact on HYBE's financial performance. The fact that former employees were able to profit from this information raises questions about internal controls and the measures in place to prevent such breaches. HYBE's response to the controversy has been closely watched by stakeholders, who are keen to understand how the company will address these challenges moving forward. The clarification issued by HYBE's global head of communications was intended to set the record straight, but the initial miscommunication from the PR firm has left lingering doubts about the company's ability to manage sensitive information effectively. For a company of HYBE's stature, maintaining trust with investors, fans, and the public is paramount, and incidents like this can erode confidence if not handled with transparency and accountability. The broader implications of the insider trading case extend beyond HYBE to the global entertainment industry. As K-pop continues to grow as a cultural and economic force, companies like HYBE must navigate the complexities of operating in a highly competitive and scrutinized market. The success of BTS has brought unprecedented opportunities but also unprecedented challenges, from managing global fan expectations to ensuring compliance with financial regulations. The insider trading convictions serve as a cautionary tale for other entertainment companies, highlighting the need for robust internal policies to prevent the misuse of sensitive information. For BTS fans, the insider trading controversy is a reminder of the group's massive influence, not only in music but also in the financial world. The hiatus announcement was a deeply personal moment for the group and their fans, as it marked a temporary pause in their collective activities to fulfill their civic duties. The fact that this announcement was exploited for financial gain is likely to be disheartening for ARMY, who see BTS as more than just a business venture. However, the group's focus remains on their music and their connection with fans, as evidenced by their plans for a 2026 comeback with a new album and world tour. As HYBE works to rebuild trust and address these challenges, the company's leadership will need to demonstrate a commitment to transparency and accountability. For shareholders, the insider trading case is a reminder of the risks associated with investing in a company so closely tied to a single act, even one as successful as BTS. For fans, it's a reminder of the complexities behind the scenes of their favorite group's success. As BTS prepares for their next chapter, the focus will likely shift back to their music and performances, but the insider trading controversy serves as a sobering reminder of the business realities that underpin their global stardom.